Hey, I'm Phil Pallen. I build and design brands for a living, and I've done a lot of design work for restaurants. In fact, I just finished designing a menu this morning. Now, unless you've got years of experience designing, this is a project you might want to leave for a graphic designer. It's for a restaurant, so you're going to need to give consideration to a lot of other elements beyond food. The brand, the layout, the printing, all kinds of stuff. And this is the kind of stuff that excites me, but if you don't have the same reaction, consider leaving it to a pro. Now, if it's a quick little project, say for an office function or a charity event, I bet you can whip up something nice that will do just the trick. If you're working on a PC, you can probably create something nice in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Publisher. On a Mac, you could probably use Pages or an equivalent program. And if you've got access to Photoshop, even better, but it's not as easy to navigate if you're not familiar with the software. Another idea for you, why don't you try printing services online, something like Vistaprint or Zazzle. Sometimes they'll have templates that you can actually just work within so that all you have to worry about is the content. You can also try the website Fiverr, Fiverr.com. On there, you can actually find people who will do stuff for you for $5, including a food menu. That should be enough to get you going. But if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to hit me up on Twitter, @PhilPallen, and good luck. I bet your design will look great. I'm Phil. Thanks for watching.